Hector is going to try to eat with put the whole McChicken in his mouth. If he does not succeed, he has to buy me and Vinicius another McChicken. If he does do it, we both have to buy him one. Now he's going to try it.
That's the lady's licking. I don't want to lick disgusting. I would do it outside your car.
Why? We're ready here. Just do it.
Oh, he's right. You're so up. You're so up. What are you doing? No, eat it. Eat it. Where'd it go?
It's right there.
Holy crap. You feel like Nick Coxon there.
What's his name? Kobe, the guy, he's hot dog. Like Kobayashi.